Hey guys, Rob here with eBuy Gaming, and today we're going to be taking a look at a neat little device from Elgato, the Cam Link 4K. So this device basically allows you to capture your DSLR or compatible camera directly to your PC for use in capturing video or live streaming. In this video, I'll give you guys a brief overview of the Cam Link itself and how you can get set up. So before anything, it's worth checking the compatibility of your camera to ensure that it will work for streaming. Some cameras, including ours, have an automatic shutdown which will occur if you leave the camera on for a prolonged amount of time without touching it. There are also various other compatibility notes that are available on the Elgato website, so it's well worth checking this out before you purchase. I'll put a link to the full compatibility list in the description so you can have a look through and check that your camera will be okay. So in the box itself, you'll find the Cam Link, you'll find a small USB extension lead and some safety instructions. The Cam Link itself is fairly small, but you may find it blocks some of the ports on the back of your PC, so the included extension cable is a nice touch. To set the Cam Link up, simply connect it to an available USB 3.0 port, either directly with the Cam Link or using that extension cable. You'll then want to bridge the gap between your camera and the Cam Link using a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, depending on your camera's interface. So then you'll want to make sure you have the Elgato capture software installed, and you should see the signal appear through this software. This software is great if you're looking just to record videos, but if you're wanting to stream, you're going to want to pair it up with Streamlabs OBS or OBS Studio. So to set this up in Streamlabs OBS, you want to add a video capture device and then select the Cam Link from the drop down box. You can then edit this in the exact same way that you would edit your webcam source, so you can crop it, you can add a chroma key, you can pretty much do anything. And that's pretty much it. In my opinion, this is one of the best upgrades that you can do to your stream. While it's not a cheap upgrade, it can definitely give your stream a more professional feel and takes up the video quality to a whole new level. It's definitely worth researching the capabilities of your camera, as most DSLRs aren't designed to be sat for 5 hours recording video, and it can introduce issues from the limited battery life and the auto shutdown feature that I mentioned earlier. For more information on the Cam Link, head on over to the Elgato website linked in the description. If you have any questions, then let us know in the comments below. I'm planning to do a fair few videos using this device, so keep an eye on the channel for those in the near future. If you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.